In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect and use a USB flash drive on Windows. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, whether you have a flash drive that's USB-A or USB-C, it's very simple to use whether you're on Windows 10 or 11. All you want to do is get your flash drive and plug it into an available slot that is on your PC physically. Then what you're going to see, you're going to hear a little noise first, and then when you go over to your file explorer, you're going to see your flash drive or even any sort of drive over here. So as you can see, my T7 Touch is now over here. If I ever want to eject it, I can press this little arrow and then I can right click and then eject it right here. You never just want to take it out like purely because it can corrupt your data, and it's the unsafe way to do it. So you want to do it from Windows first and then remove it physically. And if you ever want to add something into it or anything like that, let's say I wanted to move this or move this into here, all I gotta do is like drag and drop, and I can copy it over, and I can either replace a file in the destination or skip the file because I already have something like that in there, or I can just move something else if I wanted to as well, and then it just instantly moves over. As you can see, it just instantly moved. And if I ever want to move something from here over to my PC instead, all I gotta do is drag and drop, and yeah, it's going to instantly copy over while still keeping it on my drive as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel as well.